guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Riddhi. So I don't know whether you guys know or not कि मेरा VMware में boot camp चल रहा था. That is why I was not able to upload any videos and I am very sorry for that. हालांकि मैंने इसके बारे में अपने Facebook प्रोफाइल में, Facebook पेज में पोस्ट किया था, बट ठीक है. नाउ आई एम बैक. मेरा बूट कैम्प ख़त्म हो गया है. सो नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग एज मच वीडियोज एज आई कैन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके, बिफोर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड, मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो था इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट माया डाटा. आई होप यू हैव सीन दैट. और उससे पहला वीडियो था अमेजोन के इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में. तो अगर नहीं देखा है आप लोगों ने तो मैंने प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. यू गो सी एंड सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. हाय अरुंधति.
हाय रिद्धि.
या तो जैसा कि तुम जानती हो, वी आर हियर टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ अ फॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन. अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Arundhati Jha and I have done my BTech from KIT University in the year 2020 and I've done my BTech in Computer Science Engineering and I'm currently placed in Tech Systems Global Services and I'm working in this company as well. So that's it.
Okay, so what is your overall experience till now after working in that company? अभी तो work from home चल रहा होगा ना फिलहाल?
हाँ, अभी तो सब काम घर से चल रहा है बट आई एम एक्चुअली रियली हैप्पी बिकॉज हम लोग को इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिला था थर्ड ईयर्स में कि कुछ ऐसी डेवलपर प्रोफाइल्स भी होंगे. सो आई वाज वेरी वरिड अबाउट इट बिकॉज फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ बीटेक जर्नी आई वाज इनटू डेवलपर प्रोफाइल, एंड्रॉयड हो, वेब डेवलपमेंट हो. So I used to feel कि कहीं ये चीज़ छूट ना जाए, but somehow I was very happy when in day one companies, day zero companies all had such profiles. Like even in day zero there were many companies having developer profiles. Day one also came. So Tech Systems is also a developer profile company who comes to our college for full stack developer profile. So I am very excited to work in the office as well because abhi utna exposure to nahi mila. But as an intern, I'd worked for around 2 months in the office and I got to work on a very big project as well. तो काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलता है टुवर्ड्स द एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट. जो उसका स्टेजेस होता है वो अच्छी एक्सपीरियंस होती है.
So you found this company very good for you as a start.
Yes. As a developer profile, if someone is interested, it's a very good company for the beginners
So
to learn a
means
lot of things.
your profile for the company came for the developer profile.
Yes, full stack developer. They were very specific that they want a full stack developer.
Okay, so it came for only one profile or they have?
Yes. Only one profile that was full stack developer, and not only in our college, they went to every college with only one profile that was full stack developer because our company Tech Systems, I would like to clear this out because people think it's a staffing company, which is not the truth. Staffing
Yeah.
company is a different part of it, and for what we are recruited, it's the technical solutions of this company, and the actual headquarters is in Maryland, North America. So now we are working on the full stack development and the complete app development and technology related stuffs and nothing related to as temporary or staffing thing that people say. So just wanted to clear that out.
Yeah. ठीक है, अच्छा हुआ तुमने बता दिया. This will help them to choose.
Because even if you read the reviews in Quora or Google, they talk about only the staffing part and not this part. So just wanted to clear that out.
या ओके. सही. ठीक है अरुंधति, जब तुम इस कंपनी के लिए गई थी बैठने को, तो देन व्हाट वाज योर दैट टाइम सीजीपीए?
See, my CGPA at that time was approximately 8.4 and 4 point, it was 8.4 at that time. And the eligibility criteria was, I guess, 7.0 above. So I guess that was okay with that.
Okay, ठीक है. Approx how many people got selected from your college?
From our college, only 2 of us got selected. And there was a lot of processes and a lot of rounds, which I'll talk about later on. And finally, there were 2 of us who got selected. And overall, India level, if you'll talk about, because this recruitment process goes throughout the country in whichever colleges they go. And you're not only competing within your college mates, as well as the entire lot that is being recruited.
अच्छा, तो मतलब जब कैंपस में आई थी तो कैंपस के बच्चों में ही ना तुम्हारा कंपटीशन हुआ?
हाँ, नहीं ऐसा था कि सेम राउंड everything was going on in different colleges. Like same was going on in ITR, same was going on in our college, and similarly they were selecting people, and the elimination criteria was, I guess, 50%. 50% of people were getting eliminated in every round, and there were, I guess,
ओके,
approximately 5 rounds.
ओके, ठीक है, दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लेन लेटर इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो.
Sure, sure.
ऑल्सो, व्हाट इज द पैकेज, मीन्स कैन यू रिवील योर पैकेज?
Yeah, sure. In the beginning, in the first year, you will get 6 lakhs. And after 2 years, there's a bond of 2 years. And after 2 years, the salary increases as per the experience of our senior who has worked for 3 years there. And now he shifted because he was getting a very good package. But the फायदा ये है कि तुमको बहुत अच्छा exposure मिल जाता है. If you want to continue with the same company, you can. If you want to go further for studies or some other company, you can do that as well. That is
Okay,
the
means
basic process.
after the bond ends.
Yes, because as I worked with this company, I felt that as a developer, you have to know a lot of things about the product development. About we were working as an agile methodology. We were working in agile methodology, so it is a very hyped and known thing in today's developer or any software engineering world. So you need to know about it, and once you know about the process, you'll grow. So that is the profit here. What I felt was a lot of places in the very beginning you won't be allowed to be a part of such teams, but this company in the internship period only they allowed me to be a part of it and learn and work as well. So that is the thing I felt was really good.
Okay, it's good that you are enjoying the work.
Yeah.
So, apart from internship, will they offer you full time?
It was actually a full-time offer only, but what they prefer is before you come as a direct employee, they prefer you working with the organization for a period of 4 to 5 months, and they say it is a internship, but it is a sure process that you will be selected after it. There's no
Okay.
examination or any such thing after that because I've got the offer letter as well now, so I can surely say that it's not a temporary thing or an internship thing.
Yeah, that's good then. Okay, Arundhati, now coming to the main part, can you just let us through the overall recruitment process? What are the rounds and what are the questions they have asked, if you remember?
Yeah, I've actually made a full list of it because
Yeah.
you might find the rounds were too many rounds happened and it was a very hectic process. All of us got very frustrated till the end, to be honest, but
Yeah.
it all seemed worth it after entering the company's area because it's really
That
good
too
company
happened
to
with
work
me,
for.
with me also.
Yes, VMware also did the same thing, and
Yeah.
Dell also did the same thing. They took a
या ऑलमोस्ट एवरी
endless
कंपनी, बिकॉज ये प्रिपेयर होके जाना होगा बच्चों को कि हाँ रात लगेगा, सुबह से रात बैठना है वहां.
Exactly. Deloitte did it. पूरे रात एग्जाम्स हुए. Like
या
every company does that. So
या
वो pressurized नहीं होना है. That is what I want to say. Pressurized नहीं होना है. Just go with it. Okay. So the recruitment process was actually 5 staged. Okay. So first one was a written test, which all of us face. That is the quant, verbal, reasoning, all of them. And I won't go direct to this part because the syllabus is vast. You can't say that this many questions will come because what I felt, okay, one important thing, you have to be prepared for the coding part. They want you to be really good in it because it's a full stack developer profile. Developer is like you have to do the front end developing, back end, as well as the databases. So you need to be very good with the programming part. So the coding time was very limited and questions were tough, like graph, string, dynamic programming, all that, the hyped words we have. You do have questions from that, but don't worry, you have to answer it, and they are not being very strict with it. They want
ओके.
to know the approach of yours, and please focus on what they say in the talk that they give before that PPT, the pre-placement talk, because they ask questions from that as well in the written round. It's only two
ओके.
questions. It's only two questions, but they do ask it.
So
So
is
that's
that a
one.
subjective question or a multiple choice question?
It is a multiple choice question, but I felt it. It was both the questions were from the PPT, so I said that you should focus on it. to whatever they are
Okay.
saying. Okay,
Hmm.
the second round was GD round, in which what they're looking for is how much prepared you are for it. In this, please don't be very skeptical in saying something. Just be appropriate. Be with the topic. The topic won't be any hi-fi topic. They'll give you such a topic that you won't find anything to say, because what they are trying to see is how leadership qualities you have and how confident you are while speaking about anything. So don't mug up and do all those same things that everyone is doing. They will never
Yeah.
select you then. Just be normal, just be as you are, and they'll be good to be with it. Okay, the third round was the technical interview round. In this round, be very sure about what you're writing in your CV. This is something that most of us do wrong with saying all that things which we don't know, like especially
Yeah.
SQL. If you are writing SQL, DBMS, and all that, they'll go into very much depth and details. They'll literally ask you to write the queries and run
Yeah.
it as well.
This point is point to be noted. This happens in every interview.
Exactly. And once you say SQL, even they start playing with you. So even in DBMS, they'll tell you to do the normality, the 5NF, the 6NF, and whatever you'll do, the BCNF and all that. If you don't know it, say you don't know it, because they are very, very comfortable, and they'll agree. If you say that I don't know this, they'll ask you something else. But if you say something and hype it that I know, but you won't be able to answer it, then that's a wrong point. So that's a technical interview where they asked me about the CSQL DMS and about my internships and projects as well. Like I had done an internship in Tata Steel. So the projects that you have done, they pressurize more on that because they want to know what you have done by your own. So I had done two internships. One was Android development in HP, and one was in Tata Steel. That was web development. So since this profile is totally into full stack development, they were very interested in knowing what I have done. And the fourth round was the technical interview too. For some, it was a managerial interview as well, but for me, it was a technical interview. And in that also, they had mainly focused on the internships and trainings and what I had done in it. They asked the in-depth questions about Android development and the full technology stack of it. And in web development also, they asked me about the experience at Tata Steel and what all languages I had worked on. So, and they asked me about that. And the fifth round was the most important one because here we were seven of us, and Lavanya was also a part of it. But at the same day, she got placed in Deloitte. Congratulations to her. So, this presentation round is basically a 48-hour hackathon. So, in this, what happens? We were seven of us. And sorry, I again forgot to mention in every round, the elimination ratio is 50%.
Yeah. Yeah, you told
So,
this.
oh, okay. So in presentation round, we were seven of us, and every college has some people, and every college will present their own idea and their own product or project, whatever you say. Okay, and you
Okay.
have to compete with them. Your idea has to be unique, and
Hmm.
every person of the team has to write at least 50 lines of code. That was the minimum criteria, and then there will be a Git account created, and you have to upload, and you also have to give a presentation about it. Okay, so this was the final round in which we had presented a project. The complete working model was to be presented. And then I guess some senior people of the company had taken that round. And then finally, two of
Okay.
us got selected.
Okay, just 1 minute, Arundhati. I just want to ask you that do they give some time to build this project and people?
Yes, it was a 48-hour hackathon. So you get 2 days basically to develop the entire thing. They don't want a very big project. They want a small model. Like for us, giving an idea, we had a basic project with a good, nice UI because UI has to be attractive. We had to
Yeah.
focus on it. And secondly, we had worked on, I guess, some uh, Python or ML related something. We had actually provided a solution for the staffing agency of the company. So that was kind of a solution we were trying to provide for a faster work and that kind of a thing. So they liked the idea. And see, if you're not able to do something in presentation level or in any part of it, in any round, just be clear and honest about it. They are not going to reject you on the basis of something you don't know. They are okay with it. And even in the company, they allow you to grow and learn, and no one is going to question you why you don't know this, why you don't know that. Okay, so just be honest. If you
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. So after this?
After this, finally, two of us got selected, and then he was sent. There was a guy with me. He was sent to Bangalore, and I was placed in Hyderabad.
Oh, okay. So in India, they have two locations. Or
Yes, in India, for Technical Solutions Center, we have two locations, Hyderabad and Bangalore, and the third one is coming up in Pune. And in Delhi and all, they are the different organization, a different part of the actual organization.
oh, okay. ठीक है. So nice to hear about this.
Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
again, the process is really long and hectic, but it wasn't that tough. It wasn't that problematic as I may sound while talking about it. So don't worry about it. It's a really good company. By my personal experience, I'm saying this. That's it.
Yeah, so one thing also I want to clear कि जैसा तुमने बोला कि coding it needs a lot of,
Hmm.
so you want people to exactly code because something मैंने बहुत देखा है, इनफैक्ट मैं भी बहुत struggle की हूँ coding में. अच्छा वो
All of us.
yeah, so I just wanted to know that logical thinking ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है और proper code लिखना एकदम proper correct होना चाहिए, वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है या
See,
कौन ज़रूरी है?
सी कॉन्सेप्ट ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है डेफिनेटली. विदाउट कॉन्सेप्ट तुम 1,000 लाइन का भी कोड लिख दो. देयर आर कंपनीज विच इवन रिस्ट्रेन दैट. दे डोंट अग्री कि आप इतना ज़्यादा लाइन्स ऑफ कोड्स लिखो. सो
Yeah.
see, what I want is ki focus on your coding, because if you want to be a developer, like I'm working as a developer right now, I have to look through various things, and it needs a lot of coding. But unless you don't have that logical mind, because when you enter a company, the company wants you to work on certain thing, and they won't give you that much time to learn every time. Like in semesters, we used to get 6 months, 1 year to learn a language. Here, in my internship time only, I've learned, I guess, more than 6 7 languages.
Yeah, this
You just
happens.
have to work on it. So if you don't have that logical building up in your mind, you won't be able to do that. Language is not a big thing. Logical thinking and reasoning is much more important.
Yeah. So okay then. Thanks Arundhati. बहुत अच्छा लगा. You have shared your experience. So this was
Thank you so
my
much. Thank you
question.
so much. I myself have taken a lot of time for this. I'm so sorry for that.
No. This would be helpful for them. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
सो आई होप कि तुम लोग को समझ में आया हो. अब मैं ज़्यादा बिल्कुल नहीं बोलूँगी. कोई डाउट है तो सीधे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करो. आई विल सी. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू कांटेक्ट अरुंधति तो मैंने उसका लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, तो वहाँ पे जाओ. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू कांटेक्ट हर देन यू कैन कांटेक्ट. सो या बस लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और जीते रहो. बाय बाय, सी यू.